It's Gyros and his chickens.
Mama, why is the female bigger than the male? Why is the female bigger than the male?
The female is bigger than the male?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll get inside. Kaya magsulod po ko. They're good man ko no. Dili mo ko naman nuhik. Kaya mong kamera guba. Subscribe na good mo good. Kalugsog ko. Karoon ako nakuha ang video sa ko. A day in my life man ni Gyros. Di pa kaon po niya dari ang Rhode Island no. Oy, that's not for the Rhode Island. Hala, nilusot ang sa Rhode Island. Isa kay akong sa lugsog ba? Patay, siya na lang ako ni. Ang sa lugsog.
Mama, let's keep him there. Let's keep him there. You look like the part of the family.
Sige lang, si Papa lang ana ni murang mudakop. No, muit sila. Hala ka? Hala ka, Nok? Halugsog ko yun. Oh, yung abong dahil niya. You happy, Gyros? Okay. You help your papa feed the chicken, ha?
Why do you feel like this?
Hmm?
Why do you feel like this?
You can put the food there if you want. Oh, nagalong-long ay.
What's happening?
Waiting po sa waiting list. Agi, bubunan niya dito. Let's go outside.
Yeah, I want to the fun more.